Hello everyone, welcome to Project with Gaurang. In previous video I showed you the app demo, so I showed every feature of this app. Now we will start coding. For that open your code editor. I am using VS Code here, you can use any other code editor. So to create the next React app, use npx create React app and then the app name. I am going to use Flashcard YouTube. You can give any name, but I'm making this for YouTube, so that's why I mentioned underscore YouTube. So now it will create the app and download the packages. So now the command is executed. Now we will cd into flashcard YouTube and then npm start. Do that and you will see your app running on localhost 3000. So let it run. See, only the first time it is slow because it is loading all the packages. So this is the starting point. You should see the starting point when you do that command npx create React app. So after this, go to the source folder and delete app.test.js and setup test and logo.svg. Delete all three files, you will see the error, but don't worry. Then go in app.js and clear everything inside the dev. Clear and save it. Then go to index.js and here we have everything. In app.js we have to remove this logo.svg import, save it, and you should reach here. This should be the blank canvas. Now to test it, just simply type h1 flashcard, save it, and you should see the app here. Yeah, we have it. So go to app.css also and remove everything. And index.css, you can leave it as such or you can remove it, will not make any difference. Now we will install the Tailwind CSS. For that, write Tailwind CSS React. Go on the first link and here you can see we have done these two steps. So we will not do this, we will start from this. So copy it and you can fire up a new git bash here and let it spin, paste it and enter. So what it will do, it will install the Tailwind CSS library in it and then you can use the Tailwind here. Wait a second, I have done something wrong. Control C. So, this is the kind of thing that happens sometimes. So what I did wrong is I didn't switch the folders. See, I didn't go into the Flashcard YouTube folder. Now paste it and start. So now you can see we have a tailwind.config.js file. So if this file is there, that means the Tailwind is installed. Now let's move on to the next step, which is we have to modify the content. So you can copy the whole module.exports here, copy it and you can paste it here. After that, move on to next step and we have to replace in index.css with these three things. If you skip these, you won't be able to use Tailwind in our code. So go to the source folder and here index.css, remove and paste it and save. So how to check? Simply apply any Tailwind class to this. So use class name and text red, let's suppose 600. Save it and here you can see we have red text. Now you might be thinking how I'm getting these suggestions, like if I type underline. So I'm getting all these tailwind suggestions. So for that, go to extensions. Wait a minute. Go to extensions and use tailwind. So yeah, tailwind CSS intelligence. Just install it and enable it, and then you will be getting these suggestions. One more extension I would recommend is this ES7 plus React Redux snippets. It also helps because it gives you shortcuts like these. Let me show you. Here, simply you can type. See, this type of shortcuts you can also get. So let me remove this, and now our tailwind is also set up. So let me remove this class because we don't need it. Save it, and now we have this. The main benefit of this tailwind is that it also refreshes and resets your CSS. See, what happens is that if I'm not using this tailwind, let me show you. Comment it once and save. See, I have some default styling, some default padding and all that. So I don't want that. So it also removes that, which is a good thing because then you can easily style. So close this file, and now let's start building our app. So first we will remove this, and we will remove this app class and will apply these styles. Save it. What it will do, it will set up our background. So now this background class we have to define. For that, go here, background, and use this background color. Save it. Now we have our background color here. Now go to the folder structure. In source, make a folder called components. Inside it, make a folder Navbar. Now in this, create two files. First is navbar.jsx and the other one is navbar.css. So in JSX, open the JSX file and use RAFCE and remove this because in newer versions of React you don't need that. And now we have the Navbar component. So import it here now. And save it. So now the Navbar component is properly connected. So the Navbar we are having in our deployed clone, you can see we have basically three components. First is this, then this part, this right part, and the third one is when we are using this app on mobile or on smaller screens. We have this component. So these are the three components which are there and which will be shown according to the screen size. So let's build them one by one. So replace this navbar, this dev, with this. So what I'm doing, I'm using the nav tag here and I'm using all the three components. So this is the title, the span, which will help us with that opening and closing in the smaller screens, and these are our three options. So here you can remove this for now. Let me remove this. It will help when we will apply the Firebase in this. So now you will see some errors. Let's resolve each one of them. So const menu open, comma set menu open equal to use state, and it will be false. So use state is a React hook. Save it. So you can see we have our components here. Now it is looking nothing like the flashcard navbar we have here. So let's give it some styling. So go in navbar.css file and paste this all the style. So this is a very simple style file. You can pause it and look into it. If there is any doubt regarding this, please comment. I will explain it in detail. So it is nothing, just some simple styles, and save it. So it will not work like that. First we have to import it here. /navbar .css. Save it, and now you can see we have our flashcard. So as you can see, we have some difference in our navbar here and in the original navbar. Let me first close it. So let's take care of this now. So this difference is arising due to certain tags I have used. Replace this li with div, save it, and now this is solved. To solve this part, we will be using the anchor tag for everything. So a tag and control X, control V. We just have to put a tags. And one more a tag. Put, and you can see we have our transitions also are proper and the sizes are also proper. You can see. So this is all for this video. In next video we will proceed further and add more features to our Flashcard app. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such content for you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.